Busema Okaba Bion Fambra Ghana and Sem TV, so Idiam just want to promise the blogger. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Eba, and Busumi Nkrumu, any Ghana for seal, in my bank and away. The promise of it with me na. Now, we a comparison being about Koya MPP ni say. Another Danko Kufado Babem, the first 9 months, in Yama way, and oh yeah.
So guys, this evening I just decided to take you guys quickly through the achievement of Nana Addo in his first 9 months in government and compare it with that of John Mahama in his first 9 months in government. There you will see a vast difference between that of Nana Addo and John Mahama. In 2017, in January 2017, swearing in of Nana Addo, quick appointment of ministers, asset declaration directive, setup of economic management team, and in March 2017, first budget read, which was called as Sempa budget. That is where government announced abolishing nuisance taxes. We all remember that. Restoration of teacher nursing training allowances, allocation for free senior high school, planting for food and jobs, and one district, one factory. And April 2017, official launch of planting for food and jobs in Goso. And in May to July 2017, implementation steps, stimulus package announced for local industries, recruitment of extension officers, procurement of fertilizers, launch of Ghana Post digital address system. And in August 2017, Parliament passed the bill to establish the office of the Special Prosecutor, though the office became operational later. And in September 2017, the flagship free senior high school policy officially took off nationwide. Now, compare that to John Mahama. Then you will see that, as for NDC, they are jokers. Now, let's compare. Let's see who will make noise more. Okay? Keep on following me and I'll keep updating you guys and we'll keep exposing the NDC.
Now, the Danko Kufado Babem or cancel 17 nuisance taxes. Make sure to what that. Bounty that taxes are cancel, and also any.
Yeah, so guys, so someone challenged me that I should list the nuisance taxes I claim that MPP abolished in their first 9 months of being in power. In fact, it was abolished through their first budget that was presented. I'll go through the list. List of abolished taxes and levies. 1% special levy, special import levy. 2. 17.5% VAT on financial services. 3. 17.5% VAT on selected import medicines. 4. 17.5% VAT on domestic airline tickets. 5. 5% VAT on real estate sales. 6. Excise duty on petroleum. 7. Duty on the importation of spare parts. 8. Levies imposed on Kaya by local authorities. Market tolls for headquarters. That's what I mean. And 9. Levies imposed on religious institutions by local authorities. 10. Exemption of gains from realization of securities listed on the Ghana Stock Exchange or publicly held securities approved by the Securities and Exchange Commission. Now, I will give you taxes that were reduced or reviewed. 1. Special petroleum tax rate reduced from 17.5 to 15%. National Electrification Scheme levy reduced from 5% to 3%. Public lighting levy reduced from 5% to 2%. Replace the 17.5 VAT rate with a flat rate of 3% for traders. Tax credits and incentives for businesses hiring young graduates from tertiary institutions. That is the fact. Dispute it with fact. If only you have it. Follow me.
Promise the blogger. Say, which videos me na me watch there we are back on. Achievement on Addo Danko Kufado 9 months in government. I brought back on the 7th of January 2017. This one as in as the President of the Republic of Ghana. The policies of Castle Bayano. Ultimately, the main one out there campaign from 2008. A free senior high school. Ultimately achieve within 9 months in government. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Ababidi Akunyano so for 9 months in it was September. Up to now, the flagship project or the a year campaign. A year 24-hour economy. I think there's someone launch it. But the question is, which of this 24-hour economy factories and I say companies are you working there? What you say? 24-hour economy no. Is it working? That's the question. If it is working, those companies that they are under the 24-hour economy, are you working with one of these companies? If yes, what is the name of the company and where is it located? You see? A scam. 24-hour economy no, a scam. 9 good months. Okay, some can say no stress free, then on to your university's first year for their mom. Up to now, some of the people are saying that they have not even received their money. They have not received any money. They have not received any money. So the 24-hour economy is a scam. No stress free is a scam. Now I see maybe the Mahama care. Tell me, have you heard that Obiako Hospital, this Mahama care have taken care of the person's hospital bills? No. So it is also what? A scam. 9 months as the president of the Republic of Ghana, and you have no achievement. There is nothing about me boost you up say my 9 months in government in way. At first you guys were saying the dollar. But we told you guys that you guys were just manipulating the system. You guys were intervening in the forex. And Bank of Ghana came out and exposed you people. And later we even find out some used $4 billion to intervene in the dollar, the forex markets. And a Bank of Ghana IMF one year say withdraw, that is the International Monetary Fund. The one in some withdraw the intervening in the forex markets now pay. And the dollar jumping from 10 cedis. I'm not say or 12 cedis 20 pesos. Petrol na mo de bom ho asafo say petrol about 11 cedis. No ka say na petrol de ne bo for kra no 14 cedis 13 cedis to 14 cedis. So that one was unfairly. So you see, there is nothing else waiting that bomb as a for him. Because all the things are now the bomb once for him. Me know what say the Ghanaian public are saying say your government is going to be one of the most useless governments in the history of the Republic of Ghana. Not just under the Fourth Republic, but the history of the Republic of Ghana. Because it's been 9 months and you've not been able to do one single thing of the things that you promised. You promised Okada. People say, Okada licenses. Okada number plates for floor. How they very different from the use currently no. But that's what I say. Police for how Moka say mom come my ejuma no legalize Okada mama yedwane freely. Up to no Okada for say you guys monye. You promise every Friday be no be man kola university students mama ice cream every Friday. Be pim se me no kasa be pim muntimi enye. So your government has been full of lies. You lied your way to government. You deceived people to believe in you that, oh yeah, you can do it. Knowing that, but because Ghanaians, we have people that their IQ is kind of low, they believed that you wait in here and went out and voted for you. And here we are today. So 24-hour economy, what fairly no stress free fees, what fairly dollar, what fairly gas, what fairly petrol, what fairly and one about the airport, I can't say airport Tamahabo port now went to me anti duty so first and charges was out to. So your 9 months in government, you failed, and that's what Ghanaians are saying. The Busia, but you almost want to comment section. Do you think John Dramani Mahama, the first 9 months in government, or failed and as on failed? I can on TV. I'm just so any promise the blogger.